Morning and welcome to one more conceptual discussion on the topic of short circuiting. See, short circuiting, the easiest example in real life is when you have, the terminals of a battery, positive terminal and negative terminal. You listen to this in chemistry also, anode, cathode, right? So when the terminals of the battery are connected to each other, the only resistance in play is the resistance of the battery, right? Which is the internal resistance because of the construction of the battery. And since you're connecting the terminals using conducting wires, there is no resistance, right? Because the connecting wires, the wires that connect the two terminals of the battery have practically no resistance. Now, the moment you do that, there is a very high level of current which the battery will deliver because there is no external resistance. The only resistance is a small internal battery resistance. So this sudden surge in the value of current, is a classic example of short circuiting. And the battery is delivering a lot of current, and you would find tremendous amount of heat which also gets generated. So if you're discussing the concept of short circuit in circuit analysis and you're analyzing the circuits, you should also know the simpler part of it, where what is the situation when a battery can deliver the maximum current. It can deliver the maximum current when you short the battery with the help of a connecting wire on the right hand side or the two terminals and join the two wires with zero resistance. The only resistance is the internal resistance of the battery, and the current delivered is almost infinity. Hope that helps. Try some numericals on short circuits. Thank you.